In this video, we're going to talk about how to multiply numbers, more specifically how to multiply those multi-digit numbers. Now, as we're watching this, just remember that you have the option to pause the video whenever you need to. You can rewind it and you can rewatch it. This video is always going to be available to you. Also, please remember to take good notes and jot down some questions along the way so that we can discuss them further in class. Let's get going. So when introducing how to multiply numbers, you might have been introduced to this one way or maybe a couple of ways, but just as any operation, it's important to remember that there's not just one way to solve a multiplication problem. There's a lot of different ways, and in this video, I'm going to show you one, and there's going to be other videos that'll show you a couple of other strategies. You'll find the one that best fits for you. In this video, the first strategy we're going to discuss is how to use the area model when multiplying multi-digit numbers. So what we want to do is we're going to just draw a box. And the reason why I have a box that's 2 by 2 is because I have two-digit number times a two-digit number. If I had 179 times 23, I would want to make this box a 3 by 2 because one number had 3 digits and one number had 2 digits. Now that I have this box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and split my numbers up into friendlier numbers. So 79, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to split 79 up so that it's 70 and 9. Because 70 plus 9 gives us 79. And then I'm going to go ahead and split 23 up into 20 and 3. Because again, 20 plus 3 gives us 23. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply each number in each box. So what I mean by that is I am going to multiply 70 times 20, and I'm doing that because I'm taking the 70 and the 20, and 70 times 20 gives me 1400. Now I'm going to do 9 because it's the box that's in the 9, so 9 times 20, which equals 180. This box down here, we're going to do 70, because it's in the box that's 70, times 3, which gives us 210. And then finally, I'm going to do 9 times 3, which is 27. So this way, I've multiplied every single number from one number to every single number in another number. But I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to take all of those numbers that I just multiplied and I'm going to add them all together. So 1400 plus 180 is equal to 1580, so 1580. And 210 plus 27 is equal to 237. And if I go ahead and add those numbers together, because again, I want to add all of the numbers together, I get 1,817 as my final answer. So that's it. That concludes the first strategy. Make sure you come on back to watch the next strategy.